Hi friend, this is Dr. Apurv and I represent Team Conceptual. When I look at dreams, it's a small word. कहते हैं सपना वो नहीं होता जो आप रात को सोते हुए देखते हैं, सपना वो होता है जो आपको रात को सोने नहीं देता. What can you imagine from a center which is a standalone center in Greater Noida? Will you ever expect, right, that you will have a robot or a robotic course occurring there? Yes, we are coming with the second edition of Core to Cora on 22nd and 23rd March 2025, and then we have a guy who actually pioneered computer navigation in the world and then the robotics in the world, Dr. Heiko Graichen. So I welcome all of you, right, to stay updated with the updates that we're going to create about the Core to Cora course taking place in Greater Noida on 22nd and 23rd of March, right? And the further details about the course will be shared very soon on the website. Thank you very much.